China is not just a strategic partner, it is a partnership made in heaven. We feel that Pakistan is made, that's why nature chose us to be your neighbor. We were the first and foremost to be trusted, and we are the one who trust you utmost. When it comes to the Chinese question in Pakistan, the only one thing which is not in our mind, that is doubt. We just blindly trust China and the Chinese leadership. In this context, your visionary concept of community of shared future and its constituent elements, Global Development Initiative, Global Security Initiative, and Global Culture Initiative are very, very relevant in current disturbing times. I reiterate that Pakistan will not allow anything to undermine our strategic partnership. By anything, we actually mean that. We support the One China policy. We will continue to strengthen and realize and articulate in our actions. We will show our commitment not just through our words in a verbal way, but our action would be speaking louder than our words. So the Chinese side should be rest assured that Pakistan will not take an inch back when it comes to our relationship with China.